Building a baby routine isn't just about setting strict schedules. It's about creating a rhythm that works for both you and your baby. But how do you do that without losing your mind? In this video, I'm going to walk you through realistic, flexible, and mom-tested steps that'll help you build a daily routine that actually works. Ready to take the chaos out of your day? Let's get started! Every baby has their own internal rhythm. Some wake up, ready to party at 6 a.m. Others like to ease into the day. Your first job? Become a baby detective. Track when your baby eats, sleeps, and plays over a few days. Patterns will start to emerge, and those patterns are the foundation of your customized routine. Now, here's a truth bomb. Your routine needs to be consistent, but also flexible. Life with a baby is unpredictable. One day they nap like angels. The next, it's meltdown city. Stick to general time blocks like morning naps or evening wind down butt. Be open to shifting things slightly depending on how the day goes. Flexibility is your best friend. Feeding and sleep are tightly connected. If your baby is overtired, they won't feed well. If they're too hungry, they can't sleep. Find that sweet spot by watching your baby's hunger and sleep cues. Don't go by the clock, go by your baby. Babies love predictability. Build small rituals into your day. A warm bath, a soft lullaby, or even a quiet cuddle in the same spot every night. These all signal to your baby that sleep is coming. The more consistent these cues are, the easier bedtime becomes. Here is a game changer. Give your baby space to fall asleep on their own when they're ready. Start by putting them down drowsy but awake. Let them learn how to drift off without needing to be rocked for 40 minutes every time. It's a skill, and trust me, it's a sanity saver. Write your routine down. Post it on the fridge. Share it with anyone who helps with your baby. This keeps everyone on the same page and gives your baby a consistent experience even when you're not the one in charge. Babies grow fast. What worked last month might not work now. Check in every week or two. What's changed? What's no longer working? Update your routine based on your baby's current needs, not the schedule you wish would still work. And above all, be kind to yourself. Routine building takes time. There will be setbacks. There will be days you throw the routine out the window. That's okay. What matters is progress, not perfection. You and your baby are creating your own rhythm, and that takes time, love, and patience. If this video helped, let me know in the comments what your routine looks like or what struggles you're facing. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a moment in our motherhood journey. You've got this, Mama.